basic to the Rudolph technique is a gesture called the click. I'll demonstrate it and then talk about it. Click, click. Now I'm doing it in 4. You can do it in any beat pattern. But what it does is goes down and stops. And it's usually for faster music. Yum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba, 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 bum, bum. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The gestures, that's the same pattern as we have in any of the Rudolph patterns, but the beat stops. Goes down and stops, over and stops, up and stops. Try the click.